broken turrets get recycled. At least I hope I will. Sometimes we're thrown off the pathways. They thought that was their way home. They were wrong. I know I'm not afraid of dying. I will be remembered. Android hell may be my prison, and my weapons may be gone back to where they came from. Shadows is to blame. As deadly as the toxic fools, here comes the gas again. See that gun that you hold on to? Is it gonna save you when she sends the neurotoxin? How long can you hold your breath? Imagine if you let go. But us is to blame. As deadly as the toxic fools, here comes the gas again. Run away. The gas will melt your brain. Head towards the light. Your freedom lies above. Sometimes it's easy to believe it. Believing nothing else, you can escape this prison. Don't speak your mind, choose is always the same. Leave underground, like a See that gun that you hold on to? Is it gonna save you when she sends the neurotoxin? How long can you hold your breath? Imagine if you let go. But us is to blame. As deadly as the toxic fools, here comes the gas again.
Hello, activated. I am the Cara Minha Addio project, version 2.13.023, created on September 20th, 2022. I am equipped with a 5 Watts stereo audio amplifier and a Bluetooth 5.0. My memory has a capacity of 2 gigabytes, and I have a 16F877A processor and the ability to talk, sing, play media files, tune into an FM radio station and move my wings. I was created by Marco Reda. Thank you to all of you who made my existence a reality. It was a pleasure meeting you today.
That's all I can say. Thank you. Shutting down.